Hi, my name is Edison Hayuna Ibanez, and I am currently a second-year college student at Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur. I'm studying to get my degree in secondary education with English major. I was born in Pasay City and raised in Antipolo City and Batu, Camarines Sur as well during my childhood. I have two sisters, namely Joy and Jaylene, and 9 brothers. I am the second to the last among all my siblings. I live in Barangay Santa Cruz, Batu, Camarines Sur, with my parents and my lovely pets field cats named Nissan. This year, I realized so many adaptations, including the new normal system of education, the technologically online class, which I really have to give serious attention for my own learnings. Of color black. It reflects about my personality, the way I deals with others, even though they have different groups, still I can able to manage friendship with them. I want to travel in different parts of the world and to feel their culture and tradition specifically. And my talent is about singing. I admired Miss Regine Velasquez. That's why every time I sing a song, I always perform Regine versions of mine. Academically, I am interested in sustainability, and I'd like my study focuses more on learning new things so that I can make use of this in the reality of life. I support the new approach of teaching like student-centered, where in a classroom setup, we have our active interaction and all are free to express their views and opinions about the topic. And despite this new method, we also find ways to apply this active peer sharing from our classmates. My goal is for this process to become something the trainings and experiences in my almost half a decades of year turn into my personal success in the near future. To see all my sacrifices these years to come and later on become a competent licensed professional teacher. Hopefully, God will bless me His wisdom to grant all my goals in life. And one more thing is to give pride and honor to my beloved alma mater, the Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, as a repay for its important presence and contribution for some student, like a dreamer for excellence, a scholar for a purpose in building our nation. I am also appreciable in everything. It's either in a big ways or small things as well. Because for me, blessings can be a material things and even our good behavior can be. I learned to love those who love me, but still, those who hates me reminds me to continue striving my goals. They serves as my stairs up to my success. I believe in the saying that education is the weapon of poverty. If you offer your whole life in facing these trials, for as long as you are dedicated to finish your education, then you will be succeed in your own life at the perfect time. Thank you for listening. God bless.